Alright guys, so this is my Element Enduro build that I've had for about a month. I got it so my kids would have something to use if they wanted to come crawling with me. I've had fun kind of playing around with it. I built it up and then started tuning it because I wanted it to handle a certain way, and the biggest thing that I've been struggling with is torque twist during side hilling to the left because it picks up the left front tire. You know, going to the right was fine. So I've played with shock position, played with oils, played with the link geometry a little bit. I even went as far as to replace my 540 motor in my Hobby Wing 1080 ESC with a Holmes Hobby snub nose V2 revolver and a Castle Sidewinder Micro 2. You know, those are basically like the smallest motor in ESC you can get, because take the body off, you'll see that the transmission sits really high on the Enduro, so it's really top heavy compared to, say, my TRX4. So I put the small motor in, and then I replaced the steel gears with the RTR plastic gears because those weighed like 60 grams. And that helped a lot, but I was still getting torque twist and it was driving me crazy. So last night I found a really simple fix. And if you guys haven't seen some of my TRX4 videos, you'll know that, or you won't know that I run rubber bands on my axles. I got that idea from Exocaged. They wrap around the axle and then you just loop them up somewhere on like the body post. And what that does is it pulls the axle up. It's like some people will put limiters inside the shock body or pen springs, and it's the same effect, but you're reducing your down travel, so you have less flex. Like with rubber bands, it's pulling the axle up, but when it needs to, it still flexes all the way, right? So all I did was I just changed how the rubber bands were on here so they were tighter. And it seemed stupid because it was like staring at me in the face, but I looped them all to where they were tighter, so it's applying more resistance to keep the axles up, and it just totally eliminates that torque twist, as you can see. Anyway guys, yeah, that's my Enduro build. I didn't go into too much detail, but I'll probably do that later. I'm gonna do like a comparison video between this and my TRX4 Sport because it's also heavily modified, similar to this one. And like I said, my goal was to make it as capable as what I'm used to. So it's gonna give my Traxxas a run for its money. Maybe even better because it weighs a lot less. It's right at about 5 pounds. So yeah, stay tuned for that one, guys. And then just wanted to shoot a quick video to show how I got rid of my torque twist, because it's like, you know, me coming from Traxxas, I'd never experienced that before, because with the portals you don't have any torque twist. And so when I got this thing, I was just like kind of blown away that was a problem. But I'm glad I got it solved, and now I can just focus on having fun with it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.